Hello everyone. Alright, so the website of the day is Wayback Machine. Alright, so the URL is web.archive.org, and this website allows you to look up how websites used to look like years ago. So for example, if I type in youtube.com, it shows me first of all when the website was launched, or I guess was hosted on the internet. So if you actually look up when YouTube was created, it's actually 2005. And so you can take a look at snapshots of what YouTube used to look like in 2005. So if I click on 2005, it shows me when there was activity on the site, I guess. So I can select, for example, October 1st and select one of these snapshots, what it looked like on this date. And so if I click on it, it will show me. It's kind of nice to see sometimes how YouTube started. So this is actually how YouTube looked like in 2005, October 1st. And believe it or not, yes, YouTube looked like this. I actually kind of like this kind of look because this reminds me of a lot when I was a kid and I was going to internet cafes and browsing on the internet using Yahoo Messenger. It's really cool. It also shows you how the web has evolved over time. So Wayback Machine, use it to your advantage. Look up websites, how they look like from years back and how they've evolved to what they are now. And so yeah, web.archive.org, Wayback Machine. That's it. Pretty cool website. If you have any questions, please post down below and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Alright then, bye bye.